This is unfair. This is unfair. Price just broke my heart. But you know what? Price did not break my heart. Rather, see, I want to show us a clear example of what I told us on my video challenge. That the reason why I don't use stop loss, is because once price breaks level, like you can see how that it breaks it aggressively, is because this level is a very important level. It's an important level. So once price breaks levels like this, it will always come back. It will always come back to retest it. So now that it's in loss, can you see that this trade is on loss now? But I can assure you that I will close this trade in profit. It's either I close it in profit or I close it in a very tight loss. Let's see what price is going to deliver for us. See, once I tell you something, just believe me, learn from it, and don't forget, if you are doing this, you are doing it with an account that you are trading with, an account that you can afford to lose. Do you understand? That means the account you want to lose is what you are putting into this trade, and you are expecting any drawdown on that particular account. Do you understand? But you have this assurance that this particular pattern that we trade, once liquidity is cleared, it will always come back. So once it gets back, if it breaks above this level, that means the buy is still going to be valid. But if it doesn't give us reason, if it doesn't break above this level when it's returning back, that means I'm going to close this buys in small profit, and probably this one on top, maybe with small loss, but I'm not expecting to close it with loss though. But let's see what price is going to deliver for us. What I just want us to know is that the way it broke this level now, is going to return back. It's going to come back for me. Yes, it's going to come back for me. So let's see what price is going to do, if it's going to obey what I just told us right now. See, another thing that will give us an assurance, because I may not be online if it will happen. When it happens, I can take profit here. Just because I don't want to close the trading loss, I put take profit here, but I will leave this last one. I'm going to leave this last one. So once I see take profit here, all these things are cleared. I will just know that price has obeyed what I said. This thing that I just did, many people are going to criticize this thing. But if you don't know the way of the Forex, just stay out of it. That's just the thing. If you don't know the way, stay out of it. But let's see what the outcome is going to be. You see, I've already said, instead of loss, I'm setting TP on 1 pip, just 1 pip each. So let's see what the outcome is going to be, guys. Let's see if I'm right or if I'm wrong, guys. Let's see what the outcome is going to be. All I know is these two must obey. Yeah.
One extremely
Alright, guys, so you can see that
later.
This is what we do, and see, the accuracy is there, everything is there. See, the experience is there, everything is there. What I told you is what just happened. You can see the two positions have been cleared. It remains just small for it to clear this last one. Let me show you here. You can see. So instead of me to allow you to hit my stop loss, you see how I closed it in profit, even though it's not even up to $1. But I'm just showing you this to know how you can trade if you don't want to use stop loss. Yes, if you don't want to use stop loss. And this is actually based on my own strategy. It may not work for you. It depends on the strategy that you use. But personally, if I don't want to do trades, this is how I trade. If you follow the challenge that is going on this challenge on this channel right now, I said something like this. I mentioned that I don't really use stop loss on my trades. I have my own way of closing my trades if it goes against me, and that is the example. That's what I just did right now. So instead of me to allow the trade to, 90% of time I used to get this result. 90%, yes, like 90%. So you can see the difference between me price hitting my stop loss here, closing the trades in loss, and knowing that price will come back to that level. And that is what happened. So I deserve some accolades, guys. All right. Well, okay, before I continue, if you are joining us for the first time, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm Michael, the selfless strategic trader, and it's going to benefit if you subscribe right now. Anyway, just subscribe and join the family. So if you are joining us, just know that we don't trade anything less than 100 pips here. Yeah, that's our target. We have some people that we open trade every day, cash 50. My students cash 80 pips if they want to scalp. I don't bluff. Their 80 pips is for scalping. We have some people that their own is when they scalp, their scalping is just maybe 20 pips, 15 pips. We don't eat crumbs. We eat bakery. Well, if you know, you know. If you want to know more, just subscribe to my premium mentorship.